What's up guys, my name is Motovlog and welcome back to another Kawasaki Vulcan S installation video. Today we'll be installing the power relay for the bike, which goes in under this little fella here. Alright, let's get on with the install. Alrighty, so first things first, we're going to take a 3mm Allen key and pop off this little side cover here. Next step is removing these two 10mm bolts here, so grab your socket set here and get these buggers out. Next step is removing the side panel here, just pop off at these three pressure points here. And chuck it to the side for now. Next up we've got the relay connector here, just pull it out of its little bracket and yeah, again 10mm to get that fella off. Sweet, with that done, here are the components of the relay kit. First up we've got the new bracket which will go on. Now keep in mind when you stick this on it will go on at a certain angle. We also have an additional 10mm bolt here. Try not to get this confused with the one from beforehand that we just removed. And of course finally, the relay itself. And this fella is pretty much plug and play. All we have to do is put this bracket on and yeah, plug it in. Alright, so make sure you line up this edge of the bracket with this edge of the frame and then we will mount through this hole right here. If you're unfamiliar with how a relay works, basically what you're doing is powering a secondary low power circuit which isn't going to interfere with your high powered main bike circuit. So essentially you can power all your separate devices like a DC power outlet or in my case LEDs. But yeah, basically you'll be able to power anything on that second circuit without interfering with the main circuit. So when you take your key out of the ignition, your battery won't get drained. Now you can see that final angle there just so it lines up with the edge of that frame, ready to slide on our relay. Alright, grab your relay plug and grab the connector and yeah, basically plug it in. Now I found the easiest way to do this was to roll up the sleeve at the top like so and push her in and then roll back down basically like a glove. Yeah, like a glove. Fits like a glove, not having any trouble with this at all. But yeah, once you basically get that in, feel free to see the clip here on the back and slide that over that bit that we showed that we were lining up with the frame earlier. Once that's done, final step is to grab our initial little bracket that we took off and put it back around this spot here, connecting to this little hole hidden behind this wire. And just like that guys, you are completely done. Go ahead and put your cover back on the side again and you're away laughing. Here is the final shot. Alright guys, I know that was a quick one, but yeah, that's how you install the relay on a Kawasaki Vulcan S. Right, have a good one, and always guys, have fun, stay young, and peace. What?